This is the poem Meal by Sylvia Plath. I am silver and exact. I have no preconceptions. Whatever I see I swallow immediately, just as it is, unmisted by love or dislike. I am not cruel, only truthful. The eye of a little god four-cornered. Most of the time I meditate on the opposite wall. It is pink with speckles. I have looked at it so long I think it is part of my heart, but it flickers. Faces and darkness separate us over and over. Now I am awake. A woman bends over me, searching my reaches for what she really is. Then she turns to those liars, the candles or the moons. I see her back and reflect it faithfully. She rewards me with tears and an agitation of her hands. I am important to her. She comes and goes. Each morning it is her face that replaces the darkness. In me she has drowned a young girl, and in me an old woman rises toward her day after day like a terrible fish.